pag-usapan natin kung paano i-calculate yung number of workdays or working days per month interval. So this is actually a request and I'll walk you through it. So, I've already discussed this actually in a previous video, pero maganda na rin na pagdaanan natin ngayon kasi bagong taon. So, parang mayroon tayong bagong list of holidays. So, I have here a list of the holidays, yung ating for 2021. So, if you have the dates here, formatted as dates, you can proceed and make your month interval. So, the month intervals natin, ang pinaka-fastest way na I do it is I just key in yung first day of the year, January 1, 2021, and then sa aking end date, I just use end of month formula or EOMONTH, and then open parentheses yung ating reference, yung start of the month, and then comma 0, and sa next row, I just add 1 dun sa ating previous due date. So, this 1 plus 1, and then I just copy the end of month formula pababa. So, end of month formula to lahat. So, pagdating dito, I'll just double click or copy paste pababa, and then it actually created all the intervals for me already. So, ang network days natin na formula, ang syntax niya, madali lang, network days, and then the first one is yung start date natin. So, in this case, nasa column C, and then end date, column D. After that, we have here the optional na highlighted na holidays. So, you can select. Ako, I selected the column A lang kasi yung column A natin kanina, nandun yung dates natin with the holidays. So, you can see here, column A. Another option you can do is, instead of using a range, para hindi siya gumalaw-galaw when you drag the formula, you can actually name this. So, if I select all these cells, and I just go here, ito yung pinaka-bilis, name ko lang siya like holidays. Like that. Or I can right-click and I can do that define name then. I can just select instead of range na A, I can type holidays like that. Malalabas na siya as suggested natin. And then, even if I click and drag, hindi siya magbabago yung formula. So, that's one way of doing it. Or you can lock the cell by using F4. Sabihin natin A1. And then, pupunta sa A50. Sample lang. You can do something like that. Para, again, pagka spin read natin formula, hindi siya gagalaw. So, those are different ways to lock your formula in. And I hope it helps you out, especially kung nasa payroll kayo, nag-calculate na rin kayo ng estimated na payroll natin. So, see you sa next natin video and God bless.